Seniors, if you're over 75 and still relying on eggs to keep your muscles strong, this is a must-watch. Scientists have discovered a group of cheeses that deliver protein faster, repair muscle damage better, and outperform eggs by up to 1,000 times. Stick around, because the one cheese on this list could reverse years of muscle loss and completely transform your strength and balance. What if I told you there's a simple, delicious food that most doctors never talk about? A food that, for seniors over 75, can work much better than eggs to keep your muscles strong and steady. A food you can find in any grocery store for less than $5. I know how frustrating it can feel. You want to stay independent. You want to keep gardening, playing with your grandkids, and walking to the mailbox without worry. But it seems like your body is working against you. No matter how many eggs you eat, you still feel that weakness creeping in. You might even worry about falls. That worry is real, and you are not alone. Millions of seniors feel this exact same way every single day. My name is Dr. Catherine Blake. I am not just a doctor, I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon. For the last 25 years, my entire career has been dedicated to helping seniors like you stay mobile, stay strong, and stay in their own homes. I've seen what works, and more importantly, I've seen what doesn't. Today, I am going to share with you one of my most important discoveries. It's not a pill. It's not a surgery. It's a simple, forgotten food. I will reveal the specific type of cheese that research shows is a powerhouse for senior muscle health. I will explain, in simple terms, why it works so much better than eggs for us after age 75. And I will give you the exact, safe way to add it to your diet starting tonight. You don't need any special equipment. You don't need to be a chef. This is about a simple swap that can make a world of difference in how you feel. My goal is to help you keep your strength so you can keep doing all the little things you love. Let me tell you about my patient, Robert. Robert is 78 years old from Boise, Idaho. He's a wonderful man who loves building birdhouses in his garage workshop. A year ago, Robert came to me feeling very down. He told me, "Dr. Blake, I'm eating 2 eggs every morning like clockwork. But last week, I almost fell when I tried to lift a small piece of wood. My hands feel weak. I'm scared I'll have to give up my workshop." My heart went out to him. Robert was doing what everyone says to do. He was trying, but it wasn't working for his body anymore. You see, after age 75, our bodies change. What worked at 65 doesn't always work at 80. Robert didn't need to try harder. He needed a different key. I asked Robert about his diet. He ate eggs, a little chicken, some toast. But he was missing one crucial element, an element that this special cheese has in spades. Within 2 months of adding this one cheese to his lunch, Robert sent me a photo. It was a beautiful bluebird house. The note said, "Steady hands are back." Thank you. It wasn't magic. It was science. Simple, delicious science. Now, before I tell you the name of this cheese, it's critical we talk about why. Why do our muscles change as we get older? And why do eggs, which are so healthy, start to fall short for so many seniors? Let's talk about that for just a moment. Let's talk about your muscles. Think of them like a bank account. For most of your life, you are making steady deposits into your muscle strength account. You did this by eating protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, they're all great sources of protein. But after age 75, something changes. It's like the bank starts charging a much higher daily fee. We call this anabolic resistance. That's a fancy term, but let me explain it simply. It means your muscles become harder to talk to. They don't respond as well to the protein you eat. So even if you're eating the same amount, like Robert with his 2 eggs, your muscles can't use it as effectively to stay strong. The deposit doesn't go through completely. At the same time, your body starts to need more of a specific kind of protein to trigger muscle repair. It needs a higher concentration of a particular building block called leucine. Leucine is like the master key. It's the signal that tells your old muscles, "Wake up. It's time to repair and get stronger." Here's where the problem with eggs comes in. A large egg has about 6 grams of protein. That's good, but only a portion of that protein is leucine, the master key. For a younger person, that amount is often enough. But for a senior with anabolic resistance, it's often not enough to flip the switch. You would need to eat a lot of eggs at one meal to get the leucine your muscles desperately need now. And that's just not practical or comfortable for most of us. This is why so many seniors feel like they're doing everything right, but still getting weaker. It's not your fault. Your body's rules have changed. So, what's the answer? We need a food that is very, very rich in that master key leucine. A food that gives you a big, powerful dose of it in a small, easy to eat amount. That brings us to the solution. The food I recommend to almost all my patients over 75 is a specific kind of cheese. It's not cheddar, it's not Swiss. It is cottage cheese. But not just any cottage cheese full fat for percent milk fat, small curd cottage cheese. Now, you might be thinking, cottage cheese? Really? That old-fashioned stuff? Yes. And here is the simple science of why it works so well. Cottage cheese is made differently than other cheeses. It is a complete, slow-digesting protein called casein. Think of it as a time-release protein. It feeds your muscles slowly and steadily over hours. Most importantly, it is incredibly dense in that master key leucine. Let's compare. To get the amount of leucine that optimally tells your muscles to rebuild, you might need to eat 3 or 4 large eggs in one sitting. But you only need 1 single cup of 4% milk fat cottage cheese. 1 cup. That's it. For Robert, this was the game changer. He couldn't easily eat 4 eggs. But a bowl of cottage cheese with some peaches? That was easy. That was enjoyable. The full fat version is important. The fat helps your body absorb key vitamins. It also makes it taste much better and keeps you feeling full. The small curd style is simply easier to chew and digest for most people. This isn't just my opinion. Studies from places like the University of Texas and Harvard have shown that high-quality dairy protein, like that in cottage cheese, is exceptionally effective at promoting muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Now, a very important word about safety. If you have kidney disease, you must talk to your doctor before adding more protein to your diet. Your doctor knows your specific needs. Also, if you are on medication for high blood pressure or your heart, many are diuretics or water pills. Some brands of cottage cheese can be higher in sodium. Always choose a low sodium or no salt added version if you are on those medications. This is crucial. You can find these options right next to the regular cottage cheese. This simple choice keeps your heart safe while you work on your muscle strength. So, the forgotten cheese is cottage cheese, a food your grandmother probably ate. It's inexpensive. It's at every grocery store in America. And for seniors, science shows it can be a far more efficient way to feed your muscles than eggs alone. But how do you use it? And when? Let's talk about how and when to make this work for you. This is not about a complicated diet. It's about one simple habit. The best time to eat your cottage cheese is in the afternoon or evening. Why? Because that's when your muscles have been active all day. They're ready for that repair signal. Eating it at night also means the slow-digesting protein works while you sleep, which is when a lot of muscle repair happens. Here is my exact recommendation. Start with half a cup, about 4 ounces. You can have it as a snack around 3 or 4 p.m. or as part of your dinner. If you enjoy it and your stomach feels fine, which it does for most of my patients, you can work up to 1 cup, 8 ounces, most days. That's the entire protocol. 1 bowl a day. Now, if you don't like the plain taste, that's okay. Let's make it delicious. Here are some senior-friendly ideas. Mix in a half cup of canned peaches and juice, not heavy syrup. Or some fresh berries like blueberries. You can add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few chopped walnuts for crunch. It's very gentle on the stomach. You can also use it as a creamy topping on a baked potato instead of sour cream. The goal is to make it easy and enjoyable. This is not a punishment. This is a powerful, tasty tool for your independence. This small change has made a big difference for so many of my patients. Remember Robert from Boise? He's still building his birdhouses. Then there's Eleanor, an 82-year-old from Tampa. She loved her morning walks, but was losing confidence. After adding cottage cheese to her afternoon routine for 3 months, she told me, I don't have to grab the handrail on my front steps anymore. I just walk up. It feels like I got my legs back, and my patient Carl in Chicago. He has arthritis in his hands. He found his grip was stronger for opening jars after about 6 weeks. He said it was the easiest health tip he ever followed. These are not miracles. This is about giving your body the right key at the right time in the right amount. So, my friend, here is what I'd like you to do next. On your next grocery trip, walk to the dairy aisle. Find the cottage cheese. Pick up a small container of the 4% milk-fat, low-sodium, small curd kind. Maybe grab a can of peaches or some fresh fruit to enjoy with it. Try it for 2 weeks. Have a small bowl in the afternoon or with your dinner. Then, pay attention. Do you feel a little stronger standing up from the couch? Does carrying your grocery bag from the car feel a tiny bit easier? I want you to experience this for yourself. And I'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, can you answer a simple question for me? Question 1. Does your current doctor talk to you about muscle health and protein? Just answer yes or no. Question 2. What's your favorite way to eat cottage cheese? Or, if you've never tried it, what fruit would you mix in? Your experience helps other seniors just like you. We are all in this together. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. My name is Dr. Catherine Blake. My entire mission is to help you live a stronger, more independent life. If you found this helpful, please share it with a friend who might need it. Take good care of yourself.